Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. My Love From Lizi December 2022 kit is here and it's absolutely beautiful. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit and most of the add-ons are still available, and I do have links provided in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. We have black, white, lilac, mint green, and gray. For pattern paper this month, we have an exclusive Love From Lizi 6x6 paper pad. There are 12 sheets. These are all single-sided, and all of the designs have this beautiful marble look to them. They're super smooth, and I love the beautiful subtle colors. There are a couple that have a look of glitter, but there's no glitter on any of the sheets. Here's the stamp set this month. Lots of snowflake images in different sizes, and there's also 3 sentiments with a snowflake right next to it. We have love, happy, and winter. And there are also 3 teeny tiny little heart images. There is an ephemera pack this month and it's beautiful. At the end of the unboxing, I'll lay out all of the ephemera pieces so you can see everything that's included. The peel-offs this month are silver moon dust in the straight design. So they're all the same width, and it's a little bit wider than the widest width on the pinstripe style. Next up, we have an embossing folder, and this one's really fun. It embosses and it also cuts. So you can see the metal with the hearts and that little frame. All of that area will cut, and the embossed area will create a beautiful floral wreath. Next up, we have the dies. There are 4 included this month. There's a really large heart. We have the outline and then also the super intricate piece that you can put inside. I'm holding up an A2 size card base. The outline of the large heart is a little bit larger, but the inside part would still work. And then there's also a smaller version with the outline heart and then the inside with all that beautiful detail. Next up, we have the embellishment bag, and it is packed full. First up, we have the sample size bag of the sequins. I love the colors. They match the pattern paper beautifully. And if you love sequins, you can always purchase the full size bag as an add-on. The next item is a strip of leaf trim. It's beautiful green color that'll match nicely with all the pink floral pieces in the ephemera pack. You'll receive 30 centimeters. I like that it has the narrow ribbon piece at the top, easy to adhere, and then all those little leaves will just hang down. There are 3 silver bows that are pre-tied, and they have a beautiful rose in the center. I love when Lizi includes pre-tied bows since I'm terrible at tying bows. But I will still be tying some bows since Lizi's included 5 of the skinny ribbons. I don't seem to struggle as much with the bows with the skinny ribbon. There are 5 colors. You'll receive 1 meter each. We have white, pink, green, silver, and coral. There are 3 wooden pieces this month, all snowflakes. One side has a beautiful glitter finish on it, but if you don't want that glitter, you can always flip it over and use the plain wood side. Or if you want to add a little extra glitter, Lizi has included a bag of super fine glitter. The next item is a sheet of embellishments. They're not really gems, they're more of a glossy dot, and they have an iridescent finish to them. It's hard to see in the video. They're also fairly thin, so they won't add a lot of dimension to your card. Then we have another sheet of embellishments. These are silver roses. They do have a little more thickness to them. You'll get a total of 15. They do have an adhesive strip on the back, so 3 of them are attached together, but you can always use those individually, either peel off that adhesive strip or just snip it with your scissors. The final item that's included in the kit is a metallic pen, and it's a beautiful rose gold color. I grabbed a scrap piece of cardstock so I can show you how beautifully this pen writes. I love the color. Not sure exactly how I'm going to use it on my cards, but I'll figure out something. So that's everything that's included in Love From Lizi's December 2022 kit. The theme is Winter Rose. And here's a look at all of the ephemera pieces that are included. The colors and images are just gorgeous. Look at all that pink. And that'll work nicely with those very muted marble pattern papers. Now I did receive a few add-ons. Lizi just released 6 new die sets that are exclusive to her. The first set is called Mary. It has the sentiment Mary and also 2 beautiful wreaths with berries. The next set is called Joy. We have 2 different snowflakes and the sentiment Joy. Then we have Winter Rose with 2 rose images and also 2 sentiments. Each of them have a snowflake at the end. We have Winter and Joy. The final set is called Noel. We have a couple more snowflakes and the sentiment Noel. The 3 sets also have the outline for the snowflakes and that berry wreath. And I like that you can use all those images with or without that outline piece. And there's an outline for the large image and also the smaller image. Then Lizi also released 2 new stitched die sets. So we have the stitched circles and also the stitched rectangles. Lizi wanted to fit as many sizes as possible on each of the sets. So you can see there are a ton of circles and rectangles. I counted 21 circles and they are nested up together as close as possible. I'm holding up an A2 size card base so you can see the size comparison. For the rectangles, there are 16 dies. The largest rectangle is A2 size. Next are the peel-off bundle packs. There are 3 this month. First is a 6-pack of all silver pinstripe style peel-offs. We have silver matte, silver mirror, regular silver, silver moon dust, clear with silver overlay, and silver holographic, which is super sparkly. Then we have the 2 4-pack bundles. The variety pack is on the left. We have a lilac mirror pinstripe, silver glitter in the sway. So you can see that fun wavy design. Then we have racing green mirror in the pinstripe. And finally, the mini circles in the clear iridescent glitter. The set on the right is all pinstripe. We have lilac, mauve mirror, sky blue, and also white. I love using Lizi's peel-offs and the bundle packs are always a really good price. The final add-on I received is the pearlescent cardstock bundle. There are 6 sheets this month. Beautiful colors that match the ephemera and pattern paper. Now here's another look at Love From Lizi's December 2022 card kit. The theme is Winter Rose. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit and most of the add-ons are still available, and I do have links provided in the description box below. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only guarantee to receive a kit is to sign up and subscribe, and I do have subscription information in the description box below. Coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.